What's up, everybody? I am back with another dollar store haul. You might as well say it's not a big one, it's a small one. Excuse me. I went in there today to just pick up some things from the dollar store. And I ran across these velvet lip mousse LA colors. You know, I reviewed LA colors in my last video, the eye primer, which is really good. So I went in there today and they had these, and they only have 4 colors. I'm actually wearing one now. These are the colors that they have. Okay. And the one that I have on, let me see if I still have the packaging. This is just called CBL C962 Whipped. And it is basically like a coral color. See that? Oh, and you see how vibrant it is? It is very, very, very bright. Okay, and that is what I have on my lips now. But I am going to take it off for you and let you see. And I want to go through some other things I got from the dollar store. These wipes are really, really good. It really takes your makeup off. And they also have witch hazel in them. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 packs of these. Okay. So I'm going to take this off. And take it, I don't know, reapply it. And so you can see how smooth it went on. And then I also did some extra stuff to it. So that's probably why it's having, well, you see, it ain't coming off easy. It ain't one swipe and it comes off. Ooh. Yeah, my lips gonna be so. Okay. Woo. All right. I got all that off. So, I'm gonna try my lips here. Okay. So, now I'm going to show you this color. And it's very bright. It's very bright. It's very bright. It's very pretty. I'm looking up at my mirror here. Just a regular applicator. It goes on very smooth. It's very good. I really like this. Try put on lipstick and don't make a face. Like, I think all cockeyed and everything. Okay. Now, let it ain't the best application, but let it dry down. It's not sticky. I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. So, you can go in with a liner and line your lips up. It can be whatever your speed is, okay? A slight line here. Go around the top. Okay. Cute. Let's get a close-up of that. You like that? Now, what I did too was, let me just put my camera down here. I went ahead and I'm a matte girl. I'm not a gloss girl or anything. I like my lipstick to be matte. And to give it a little bit more to it, I went ahead and I grabbed my palette from ColourPop and went in to give it that matte feeling. Brighten it up just a bit. Perfect. And that is how I got this look with the dollar store. Yes. Now let's go on to our next lip. So the next one I have is more of a plum color. And this is CBL C961. Is that the same number that's on the other one? Oh, this is 62. That's 61. I think it says Rock Steady on it. This one right here. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this. That is gorgeous. Not the best job, but you get the gist of it. You yeah. Yeah. Now that one is really gorgeous. And it is bright as it is on camera. I really like this one. When I saw this, I put this on. This was the first one I put on. And I'm really happy. This formula is really good to be $1. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't sleep on a dollar store. Now, it's not sticky. It's a mousse. So it's real. You wouldn't even need a liner with this one. This one is really, really pretty. And I'm really happy with this. Okay, so tell me and when I get done, tell me which one you like the best. So now this is, I think it's Rock Steady. No, I'm sorry, not Rock Steady. This is, we're gonna call this Rock Steady, okay? And this one is called Silky. I don't have the packaging for this one I just tried on. But they only make 4 at this moment. Only seeing 4. So let's go ahead and open this one up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, you know what? Let's see how it will look if I put a little bit of something on top of it. Now let's see here. Ooh, shoot. If you hear somebody in the background, that is my 2-year-old, so it is what it is. Ooh, Baby, you can turn dollar store lipstick into a whole nother level. Ooh, and it, looking like you out here and paid $20 for some lipstick. You only paid $1. Now just use this. I got this from, I think, Walmart or something. They're really vibrant colors. Look how pretty those colors are. It was only like $4.99. Awesome. So you like that? Okay, let's try on the next one. Okay, so let's go ahead and give her. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. This one you may need a liner with, but let's see. Let's get it on. Let's see here. Ooh, she's sexy. She cute. Yes, she is. She cute. She cute. Hey. Now you might want to go in and build her up just a little bit. Yeah. Her formula is pretty good. It's not better than the other colors. You're definitely, you might want to go in a liner. I'm gonna put a little liner on her. Just a little bit. Okay, so this is her. She's really cute too, but I'm gonna go in and she's too, I'm not really feeling her texture. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to change the texture of the lip. And these brushes right here, I got these from Walmart. These brushes right here are the best, but I'm not going to use them. Let's see. Let me use that pink again and see what it does to it. Oh yeah, that's much better. It changed the whole. My stomach just a growling, and I ain't even hungry. Oh, yeah. That's much better. You see that? See that? Yeah. You see that? That's cute. Yeah. You see how it changed the whole, like, it changed it up. It gave a little bit of spice to it, you know? So I'm glad about that because I wasn't really feeling it. Put a little, no, I'm trying to see if I put a little purple. Here. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm feeling it. No, sorry. Yeah, dollar store, baby. Just don't sleep on them. These are really cute. Okay, so we got the last color. It's coming off peachy on camera, but it's not. It's like a nude. So let me go ahead and is peachy. It looks different in the bottle in person. It looks more of a nude, but it's like a, I don't know. But this is her. Let me get a little good swoop up in here and get this on my lid. Yeah, we gotta see if we can dress this one up too. Ooh. I ain't doing a very good job. Ooh. Okay. But you know what? You can always make this your own color. Ooh. I feel like I'm just learning how to put on lipstick. She's not bad, but unless I can make her look better, I wouldn't be grabbing for her. No, so let's see here. Let me see if I can do what this pencil shows up better. Oh yeah, that shows up a lot better than the last one. Okay. That look better. Okay, hold up. We might have a winner. See, you know that. She doesn't blend out too well. I'm telling you, in the packaging, she looked totally different. Was somebody that close up on your lips that knows that? Then they need to get you the right stuff. It all in your mouth. That's not bad. It's like a peachy color. Put a little liner on it. Let's see if we can go and do something else with her. Oh, yeah. That's why I love lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks because you can turn them into whatever color and make them fit you. And it's no, that color don't look good on you. You have to make it your own. And I really like these lippies. No, lippies, I'm sorry. These velvet lip mousse lipsticks. They're really good. And these are the 4 that I swiped today. Picture time. And then I also got this highlighter. It's called Hard Candy. And I put a little bit of here. Let me go ahead and swap this. You know what I'm saying. Before I let you go. Let's see how. Ooh. And I also got this from the dollar store. That is really pretty. Let me test the gold. Ooh. And then we got the silver. Let me get that real good over here. Ooh. Look at that now. That is pretty. And it was also $1 and it's called Hard Candy. So don't sleep on the dollar store. They have some really good stuff and they got some new stuff in. So run to your local dollar store and go ahead and beat that face on a budget. All right.